The scientists, they approached us at the Reykjavik Energy, and I thought it was a crazy idea. Everybody thought it was a crazy idea. Well, Carbfix is actually a very simple idea. It's actually a natural process already happening. We are taking CO2, mixing it with water and injecting it deep down into the bedrock where it mineralizes and forms calcite, which is stored in the bedrock forever.
Yeah, so we have been planning this for quite many years, and you can design a system quite, let's say, easily, and you can test it with relative ease in the laboratory. That's where you have everything is under controlled conditions. You have clean water, you have clean gas, you have clean everything, and you're not dealing with weather. We needed to test the equipment under real condition to see if this would work.
There was only one way to try it out: start injecting.
It was definitely not a success story from day one.
When you are transferring cold water in freezing conditions, pipes tend to freeze and clog.
We are used to malfunctions of equipment.
When you're installing your injection system in a well down to a few hundred meters depth in strong winds, in maneuvering pipes, it can be challenging.
If you are struck down, you need to stand up again.
It gradually dawned upon us that it was actually working.
Then when we had finally overcome all of the problems, it was quite a big step for us.
And once, the science paper was out there, almost ever since then we have just been on this roller coaster. The paper was published in June in 2016. I woke up on the morning after it had been published, and it was just all over the media.
This is actually a method that has been developed.
It is mixed with water, kind of a fizzy water.
Will contribute to the fight against climate change.
This could be an answer for many industries around the world that have excess CO2.
Oh yeah.
Let's get that out there, man.
We are working on scaling Carbfix up on 3 fronts. And the 3 fronts we are working on, it is to scale up point source capture and storage wherever we can implement our technology just at the location that's most cost effective. Where that's not possible, we are working on introducing large-scale mineral storage hubs to which we can bring CO2 from various locations. And then the third pathway is to further scale up direct air capture and storage, because even though we stop and when we stop all emissions, we still have to clean up after ourselves and retrieve some of our previous emissions. Carbfix is not a silver bullet to climate change. It's one of the solutions that we have to take to scale. It's not this technology or that one. We have to move all to scale, because only by doing that, and by doing that together, we can meet our climate goals.